Welcome or welcome back to today's lesson 9 describing software products. What exactly are you going to learn today? You're going to learn how to describe digital products and software features in English, some grammar, present simple, passive and relative clauses, vocabulary, and central product and feature language for non-technical roles, and how to talk confidently about your product to clients and teammates. And as always, you can find this worksheet and much more useful content in our Telegram channel and other social media. There's your instance. You can type it in the search bar or you can scan the QR code and you'll be redirected into our Telegram channel. And let's start with part 1, core vocabulary. Feature, a specific function or capability of a product. The search feature allows users to find content quickly. Functionality, the range of functions that a product can perform. The app's functionality has improved with the latest update. Interface, a visual layout a user interacts with. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. User, a person who uses the product. Our users can manage their accounts from one dashboard. Platform, the system or environment where software runs. The platform is available on web and mobile. Module, a self-contained section of a larger product. The reporting module shows real-time data. Release, a version of the product made available to users. The next release is scheduled for end of month. Version, a specific edition of iteration of a product. We're currently on version 3.2. Bug, an error or defect in the software. A bug in the login flow is blocking some users. Enhancement, an improvement added to an existing feature. The sprint includes several UI enhancements. Let's discuss a little pro tip. In IT, a bug, that's a problem that breaks existing functionality. And an enhancement, that's an improvement to something that already works. A feature, that is something completely brand new. And these three things are often confused in meetings, unfortunately. But you need to know the difference and use them precisely to sound much more professional. Let's discuss some grammar, present simple, passive, and relative clauses. Present simple, describing how a product works. Use present simple to describe permanent features and functions. The platform runs on cloud infrastructure. The app stores user data securely. The dashboard displays real-time analytics. Users access their accounts via single login. If you need some more information about present simple, you can scroll to the previous lessons and watch them too. Passive voice, when we focus on the product, not the developer. Active, the team updates the platform every 2 weeks. Passive, the platform is updated every 2 weeks. Active, developers fix bugs in each release. Passive, bugs are fixed in each release. Active, the system sends email notifications automatically. Passive, email notifications are sent automatically. The key pattern, your item that you perform an action onto. Am is are, or another form of the verb to be could be was, were, will be, is going to be, whatever. And past participle. Past participle, that's the third column if it's an irregular verb, or that's an ed ending. The feature is designed to. The model is used for. New versions are released quarterly. And let's go on to some relative clauses when we want to add a detail. That or which are used for things. Who for people, where for places. This is the feature that allows users to export reports. We use that because feature is a thing, it's not alive. The dashboard, which is updated in real time, shows all KPIs. Which is also used for items. The dashboard is an item. This is the model where you manage user permissions. Where for places. The product owner is the person who prioritizes the backlog. Who for people because product owner is a person. Product description, some key phrases. When you want to introduce a product, certain product name is a platform, tool, app that does something. It is designed to help somebody do something. For example, it is designed to help busy moms book hotel rooms for their trips, for example. The product offers something, main models, features. Describing a feature. Some feature name allows users to do something. A feature name is used for something. This module is responsible for something. It is integrated with the name of the tool or system. Describing status. The feature is currently in development. Great job. This bug has been reported and is being fixed. Why not? The latest version was released last week. Okay, the next release is planned for a date. Let's read a model product description and analyze it. So, TaskFlow is a project management platform that is used by over 50,000 teams globally. It offers three main modules: task management, reporting, and team collaboration. The reporting module, which displays real-time data, is updated automatically whenever a task is completed. Users who manage large teams can set permissions at the individual level. The interface is designed to be intuitive. Even non-technical stakeholders can navigate it easily. A new version is released every 6 weeks, and bugs are fixed within 48 hours of being reported. Let's notice some things. Present simple throughout for stable facts. Offers can navigate is updated. Passive, it is used when the product is the focus. Is released, is updated, is fixed. Yep. And relative clauses to add details naturally. That is used by, which displays who manage. And let's watch out for some common mistakes. The feature allows users to export. The feature allow users to export. The feature allows users to export because the feature is an item. It is it, not he, they. Bugs are fixed in each release. Bugs are fixed in each release. Yep. The platform which it runs on cloud. The platform that runs on cloud. Um, that's actually interesting. Yeah. You do not put it after which or that. Yep. It's just simply the platform that runs on cloud or the platform which runs on cloud, not which it or that it. We release a new version from 2 weeks. A new version is released every 2 weeks. You can use every for regular intervals, passive preferred here. This is a bug who blocks users. This is the bug that blocks users because who is only for people and the bug is not a person. A little quick check. Pause the video, take your time, and complete the task, and then come back and we're going to discuss the answers. Well, let's go, let's discuss. So, the platform runs on web and mobile. Great job. New versions are released every month. This is a feature which or that allows users to export data because the feature it is it that's an item, a thing. A bug is an error in the software. The interface is designed to be user-friendly. Yep, sounds great. A little speaking challenge. You can use a product or tool you use at work. For example, Jira, Notion, Slack, your company's platform, whatever you want. And describe it in 5-6 sentences. What is it? Who uses it? What are its main features on modules? How is it updated or maintained? And use at least one relative clause and one passive sentence. And share your product description in the comments. Okay? And the question for you, what is the main product or tool your team works with? Describe one key feature using today's vocabulary. Feature, functionality, interface, model, release, etc. And what makes it useful for your role? Well, and when it comes to workbook, I'm not going to show it to you in here, but you can easily find it in our Telegram channel, the 13th stance, or scan the QR code. Well, and thank you so much for joining in this lesson, and I suppose I hope to see you next time in the next one. Stay safe. Bye bye.